Hey guys, so after 2 freaking years, Motorola is finally launching a flagship smartphone, and it's not something you have already seen. They are dishing the old design. This one is something new. Yes, I think they are ready to compete against the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. So this right here is your live look to the Moto Edge Plus aka Moto One 2020, the flagship from iconic brand Motorola. XDA said this device is having around 80% waterfall screen, which means it's more curved than the OnePlus 8 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. It's not as curved as the Vivo Nex and the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, but yeah, it is curved for sure. On top left corner you can see the hole punch selfie shooter. Yeah, this is gonna be very cliche design for this year. The top looks as thin as the S20. Also the hole is really small, so which is a great thing. On top of all this, they are using AMOLED 90Hz screen, which means it will refresh 90 times per second. So you have flagship level design and features at the same time. Now they are launching two phones with this design. One is gonna be a mid-ranger with the Snapdragon 765. Those who wanna spend less and get same design, get this mid-ranger. And there's also one with the flagship level Snapdragon 865 CPU. So the one with 765 CPU will be called Motorola One 5G, and the flagship is Motorola One 2020/Moto Edge Plus. And here are the specifications courtesy XDA. So the Moto Edge Plus features a 6.67 inches 1080p display with the waterfall screen and 90Hz refresh rate. This thing is not too big and not too small in my opinion. There's 8/12 gigs of RAM and 128/256 gigs of internal storage. Shocker comes with a huge 5169 mAh battery. Yeah, that one is really huge. There's Android 10 with some next level features. Moto Edge Assistant is gonna help customize and make use of that Edge display. I think just like what Samsung did with the S7 Edge. And second is Moto Game Time, which is basically gaming mode, and then comes the Moto Audio, which is an audio tuning application. So this is the flagship from iconic brand Motorola, the Moto Edge Plus. We have no information on the camera department, but I think Motorola is gonna use a Sony IMX686 in the Moto Edge Plus. So both these devices are coming at MWC 2020, which is happening later this month, and I'm super excited for these smartphones. That being said, are you gonna give a shot to Motorola in their flagship? I wanna know your thoughts in the comment section. Meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.